Kilo Delta, bonjour.
Kilo Delta, je vous rappelle. Lima Delta Golf 11, continue descent 2000 feet, QNH 1012, cleared unfair approach on Lima, please.
2000 feet, QNH 1012, cleared runway 13, big Lima Delta Golf 11.
Lima Delta Golf 11, contact le Touquet Tower 118.450, bye.
118.450, Lima Delta Golf 11, thank you.
118.450.
118.450, Lima Delta Golf 11.
Little information, good morning, Golf Charlie India Papa Yankee, basic service.
Golf Papa Yankee, squawk 6100, QNH 1012. I have your flight plan and I'll call you back to switch frequency.
6100 1022, base Golf Papa Yankee.
1012 Zulu?
Sorry, say again, Golf Oscar Zulu.
Golf Oscar Zulu, there's a traffic at your 10, 2 miles, nearly parallel route at 3000 feet below you.
Roger, copy the traffic. Currently no visual, but we'll keep a lookout. Golf Oscar Zulu.
That's at your rear left and same destination.
Roger, we are descending, passing 5,300 feet. Golf Oscar Zulu.
Yeah, copy. Kilo Delta?
Kilo Delta.
Ouais, je vous écoute, monsieur.
Fox Golf Lima, Kilo Delta, un DR 402 personnes à bord en provenance du Touquet à destination d'Épernay.
Kilo Delta 6100 transpondeur, le QNH a 1012, rappelé en sortant du secteur.
6100 1012, rappel en sortant du secteur, Fox Kilo Delta.
Deal approach, Golf Bravo, Oscar Echo, Echo.
Busy today, huh? Yeah.
Bravo, Oscar Echo Echo for information. Bonjour, squawk 6100, QNH 1012, I have your flight plan, I'll call you back to switch frequency.
Good job it wasn't like that yesterday, having to speak in French.
Oh god, yeah.
Okay.
Approach Golf India Alpha November Charlie. Golf India Alpha November Charlie, squawk 6100, QNH 1012, I have your flight plan, destination Lydd. Call me back mid-channel. 6100 1012, Walker, Golf India Alpha November. We got the 1012, don't we? 1012. That's and contact. Do you think it's better to put on London info or Lydd approach?
London info, I reckon. Would be my guess. Okay, top of climb check. Fuel content sufficient to reach the destination. Radios you've got, engines, T's and P's are all good. Direction, looks like we're going in the right direction.
Papa Yankee.
Altimeter 1012.
Papa Yankee, traffic at your 1 o'clock parallel route, same destination.
Not applicable, 01819.
Pretty high from your position, 2,500 feet, but watch out going to your descent at the same time.
Copy that, believe we have traffic in sight. Golf Papa Yankee.
Roger, Golf Papa Yankee, contact le Touquet Tower 118.450, bye.
Contact le Touquet 118.450, thank you, Papa Yankee.
Golf Oscar Zulu, the report traffic has visual on you. He's now to
Plan activation, airborne at minute 940.
Way busier on the English side.
Papa Yankee, thank you. Squawk 1177 with no Charlie, basic service.
1177 with Charlie, basic service, Golf Oscar Yankee.
Good information, Golf India Alpha November Charlie. Golf Romeo Sierra, coasting out, climbing to 5,000.
Yeah, Golf India Alpha November Charlie, London information. Stand by, number 2.
Perfect. Just say Golf November Charlie going to Lydd.
We got time on Lydd, don't we?
Golf November, course miles and speed to 5,000 feet.
Golf Foxtrot Yankee flight plan has been activated.
Golf Foxtrot Yankee, thank you.
Station coasting out again.
Golf 2 Angel for November at lead coast at 5,000 feet.
Golf Alpha November, thank you.
Flight information, Maple 671 able.
Maple 67, London information. Hello, I do have your details. So just report your present position and altitude, please.
We're currently 3 miles to the east of Milton Keynes at 1,700 feet, 1016. Maple 67.
Maple 67, thank you. Squawk is 1177 with Mode Charlie, basic service.
1177 Mode Charlie, basic service, and looking wheels down at Watcham at minute 30.
Roger. Okay, so Julie Victor, also red channel. Station calling London information mid-channel, say again. Okay, Charlie Julie Victor, request frequency change to Leo 120.275. Golf Julie Victor, thank you, and score comes security, goodbye. Comes security, bye. Golf India Alpha November Charlie, London information, punch message.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, TB10 from the Touquet to Lydd, currently 2 miles south of Dover, 4,000 feet on 1012, routing Dover to Lydd, and we'll request a frequency change now to Lydd, approach on 120.705.
Golf November Charlie, roger, and do keep a good lookout. There are many other aircraft going the opposite direction to you, and goodbye for now.
Thanks, Lydd approach 120.705, we'll keep a good lookout for Golf November Charlie.
Golf Charlie.
Golf Charlie, Charlie Zulu Victor, have your flight plan as well, Cook 6100, QNH 1012.
Surface wind 080, 13 knots, cav OK, temperature plus 20, dew point plus 15, QNH 1014.
Danger area 044 not active. Danger area 141 active.
Acknowledge receipt of information, Yankee, QNH 1014 on first contact. This is Lydd information, Yankee, time 0850, runway use 03, surface wind 080, 13 knots, cav OK, temperature plus 20.
Did you get all that? 1014 for me.
Yeah, and then 03 of the runway.
03 for the runway. Okay, and I'm in the descent now down to 2,000.
Golf Echo Oscar, have no attitude report on your Cook.
Golf Echo Oscar is negative mode Charlie. Maintaining 4,000.
Golf Uniform Delta, take the left-hand orbit your present position. Golf Uniform Delta, left-hand orbit present position.
Echo left hand, Golf Uniform Delta.
The 6 Echo Alpha, wind 07014 knots, clear touch and go.
Clear touch and go 03.
Always as soon as we get in the descent, the airspeed goes.
Yeah.
3,500 to 2,500.
The Golf X-Ray Charlie, India Delta ready for taxi.
Golf India Delta, runway 03, taxi to holding point Charlie for your power checks.
Holding point Charlie, Golf India Delta.
Let approach at 50 shut down.
Cascade 50, roger.
Then approach Golf India Alpha November Charlie inbound.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie, lead approach, pass your message.
Golf India Alpha November Charlie is TB10 from the Touquet to Lydd, currently 5 miles east of Egmd, descending through 3,000 feet on 1014. We have information, Yankee, and we're reaching direct to Lydd. Request security instructions.
Golf Member Charlie, the squawk 7066. Remain outside danger area Delta 141. Join downwind right hand 03, port 4 miles to run.
At squawk 7066, we'll avoid danger Delta 141. We will join downwind to 03 and report 4 miles. Golf India Alpha.
Government Charlie, report continue onto the downwind leg now, report file number 2. Your traffic is between about half-mile final for a touch and go.
Copy that with visual Golf Alpha Delta.
Golf November Charlie, right, report downwind right hand 03, you'll be number 2, number 1 is a Cherokee just turning downwind now in the circuit.
Number 2, okay, Golf November.
November 266, Echo Alpha.
Okay, before landing checklist, parking brake is off, undercarriage is welded, mixture is rich, prop can stay where it is for
6
now.
Echo Alpha, Roger, you're moving outside the area now, so squawk 7000, Farnborough radar 13225, bye-bye.
And cross check, carpet we're using at the moment, hatches and harnesses, everybody's buckled in?
Yep.
All good?
Golf from Delta is downwind touch and go.
Golf from Delta, number 1 report final, this is an aircraft backtracking.
Yeah, we copy that.
Okay, does that look good, David? That looks good. Start turning now, yeah?
Turn now, yeah.
Okay, speed's still good.
Lead approach from Golf Sierra Echo for basic service.
It's a really weird little...
Clifton 907, contact London Control 120537, have a good flight, bye-bye.
Just confirm the frequency 120530.
AFM.
Thank you, 120530, Clifton 907, bye-bye.
Okay, there we go.
Golf Sierra Echo, say again your full call sign and pass your message.
Find the platform.
Golf Bravo Charlie X-ray code, DF400, 1 POB, local flight from Egmd to Egmd through Dover and Margate. Currently 2,400 feet, QNH 1014, 2 minutes north of Hastings. Request basic service and further overhead transit instruction.
Golf November Charlie, wind 070, 15 knots, runway 03, clear to land.
Clear to land, 03, Golf.
Golf Sierra Echo basic service for squawk 7066. Report when you pass the town of Folkestone.
Squawk 07066, report when reaching Folkestone. X-ray code.
Golf Sierra Echo, so I want to say, do you intend routing over Lydd overhead to over the airfield?
X-ray echo, can you repeat please?
Do you intend flying through the Lydd airport overhead or just bypass us on the way to Folkestone?
Indeed, my intention was to fly overhead Lydd airport. X-ray echo.
Oh, roger, then report passing overhead the airfield.
X-ray echo, report overhead.
Golf November Charlie, welcome to Lydd. Vacate left side Charlie to park on the Charlie apron.
Okay, left side Charlie, park on the Charlie apron, and can we request fuel as well, please? Golf November Charlie.
FM, the bows will come to you.
Roger, Golf November Charlie. That was a busy little flight, eh?
It was. Non-stop from Lille to London.